All right, so welcome back, everyone. Hello, how are you today? Today, our lesson is about transport of substances in plants. Okay, but before that, let us have a short review first. Okay, so we're going to have a review first of our past lesson. Okay, and our past lesson is about photosynthesis. Now, my question is, do you still remember what is photosynthesis? Anyone? What is photosynthesis? You can't tell me. Okay, it's hard. I think it's hard to remember, but I just like you to read this one. Okay, what is photosynthesis is written here. I'd like to call Chertam. Hello, Chertam. Can you read this one, please?
ดูเอาสีเขียว
Chertam,
again here.
can you read this one, please? Photosynthesis. Can you see that?
It is the process by which green plants use water and carbon dioxide to transform light into chemical energy
All right.
in the form of food.
Food. Okay, thank you so much, Chertam. Okay, so it's hard to remember. Okay, it's it's a long sentence, but what I want you to remember is that photosynthesis is a process. Okay, it is a process in which green plants, okay, green plants such as this one, as you can see on the illustration here, green plants use what? They are using carbon dioxide, okay, to transform light into chemical energy, all right, into chemical energy in the form of food, okay, in the form of food. Like we have here for food such as glucose or sugar, and then oxygen. All right. So they photosynthesis, the product we have here glucose or sugar and oxygen. Right. So it is a process. Okay. I hope you remember that now. Okay. Now my next question is, what part of the plant does photosynthesis happen? Okay. In what part of the plant does photosynthesis happen? Anyone? What part of the plant does photosynthesis happen? Is a plume here? A plume? What part of the plant? How about Oi? Hello, Oi. Are you here, Oi?
Yes.
Yes, Oi. What part of the plant does photosynthesis happen? What part of the plant do you think? It happens on? What part of the plant? Do you still remember? It happens on? How can help Plume? Where is Oi? Hello, Oi. Thank you, Plume. How about Oi? Hello, Oi. Can you turn your mic on, please, Oi? Oi?
Yes.
Oi? What part of the plant does photosynthesis happen, Oi? Part of the plant. Do you still remember? It happens on?
Leaf.
Okay, on the leaf. All right, very good. Thank you so much. That is correct. Okay, so photosynthesis is taking place inside the leaves of the plant. All right, so as you can see here, this is the anatomy, or this is the inside of the leaf of a plant, and there are how many layers? Do you still remember how many layers do we have here in plant leaf? Q, hello Q. Do you still remember how many layers, Q, there are? This is layer number 1, layer number 2, layer number 3, and layer number 4. How many layers, Q? There are
4 layers.
4 layers. Very good. Thank you so much, Q. There are 4 layers. Okay. And inside this one here, on layer number 2, we can find this structure, chloroplast. Okay. Chloroplast. Again, this is pronounced chloroplast. Okay. CHLOROPLAST. Chloroplast. Okay. Now, this one, inside the chloroplast, you can find grana. Okay, you can find grana. This one here, inside the chloroplast. Okay, and inside the chloroplast, you can find the green pigment called chlorophyll. Okay, so inside this green one here, you can find chlorophyll. Okay, chlorophyll, right? And this one, chlorophyll, is the one responsible for photosynthesis. Okay, they absorb light from the sun to do the process called photosynthesis, right? That is where photosynthesis is happening in the leaf of the plant. Now, next, we have 4 factors, okay? 4 important factors in photosynthesis. What are those? Hello, where is I'd like to call Ing. Hello, Ing. What are the 4 factors important in photosynthesis? Hello, everyone. You can turn your mic on. Anyone from the class? Anyone from the class? Turn your mic on. You can tell me just one, if it is okay. What are the 4 important factors?
Carbon dioxide.
All right, carbon dioxide. That is correct. Okay, carbon dioxide. What else? Aside from
Water.
water, that is correct. Thank you so much. What else?
Light.
Again, please.
Light.
Light. All right, very good. And then last one. What else? What do you call this? Last one.
I forgot.
I forgot.
Chloroplast.
Again, please. Chloroplast. Okay. We call it okay, partially correct. Okay, because chlorophyll is inside the chloroplast. Okay, chlorophyll. 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 Okay, partially correct because a chlorophyll is inside the chloroplast. Okay, inside this one, you can find chlorophyll. Okay, so these are the 4 factors which are important to photosynthesis. Number 1, chlorophyll. Number 2, light. Number 3, carbon dioxide. And the last one, of course, is water. All right. Now, on the next one, I have here, we call this one as chemical formula. Okay, so this is a chemical formula for photosynthesis, right? So we have here carbon, and there are 2 oxygen plus hydrogen, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen, which means water. And then with the help of the sunlight, these are the product. All right, what are the product again? Who can tell me what are the product? I'd like to hear from Yok. Okay, hello, Yok. What are the product of photosynthesis, please?
Glucose and oxygen.
All right, that is correct. Okay, so this one is called glucose or sugar plus oxygen. Very good. I hope you still remember that. Okay, I hope you don't forget that. Okay, so the product are glucose and then water and oxygen or vapor, right? And this food such as carbohydrate, fat, and protein. Okay, so these are what glucose are converted into, right? So this is all about photosynthesis. I hope you don't forget about photosynthesis, Nakap, all right? Okay, so for today, we will proceed with the new topic. Okay, so our lesson for today is about transport of substances in plants, right? Transport of substances in plant. Okay, so let us start. What do you mean by transport and what are substances? Okay, first, let us understand, okay, what is the meaning of transport? What do you mean by transport? Okay, it means transport means bring to one place. Okay, bring from one place to another. It's like you take the bus from your house to school. Okay, it means you transport. Okay, Nakap? From your home going to school, it means you transfer from your home to school. Okay, that means transport. Okay, so what do we transport in here? Substances. Okay, we are transporting substances like water. Okay, water, nutrients, minerals. Okay, like if we are going to transport let's say we're going to transport Q from his home to school. So the substance here is Q, right? Transport Q to school, right? But our lesson for today, we are going to transport substances in plants. Okay. Now, transport is one of the important processes in plant. Okay. Transport is another process. Okay. It's also a process in plants, just like photosynthesis, like same process. Okay. It's also the same with photosynthesis. Next, as you can see here, substances like water and minerals. Okay, these are substances. Okay, that being transported in plants. Now, different plants may have different ways to transport substances. Okay, different plants may have different ways to transport substances. Just like when you go to school from home, you can have motorcycle, you can go by songteo, you can go by car, okay, or you can go by van. Okay, there are many ways in which you can transport from home to school. Now, same with plants, right? There are many ways in which substances can be transported by plants. Okay, understand? Now, for vascular plants, another one here, for vascular plants, what are vascular plants, teacher? Now, when we say vascular plants, these plants have transport tissues, okay? Transport tissues called vascular tissue, okay? Meaning vascular plants such as the ones that you can see on the screen, they have vascular tissue. Again, vascular tissue, okay? Vascular tissue. This tissue transport substances from one part to another, okay? Like, for example, from the roots going to the body and going to the leaves, okay? So this is vascular plant, okay? Now, when we say another one, another aside from this one, that you can remember for vascular plant, it means that they are plants that have through stem. They have stem like this, okay? Stem. They have leaves. They have through leaves like this one. And what else? They have through roots, okay? They have roots, okay? And under this one here, roots, okay? Vascular plants have through stem, through leaves, and through roots, right? That's why they have vascular tissue, right? Now, how does a vascular system look like? Okay, vascular system. Okay, if you're going to cut this one here, the plant here, if you're going to cut here, you will see something that look like this. Okay, can you see the yellow one, the blue one, and the green part here? Okay, so there are the vascular tissue or system has two kinds. Okay, number one, we call it a xylem. Xylem. Okay, follow me. Okay, okay, follow me. Okay, we have xylem. Another one, number two, is phloem. Phloem. Okay, number one, xylem. Number two, phloem. Right? So the green one here is called xylem. Okay, the brown one or orange one here is called phloem. Okay, phloem. Now, what is the difference between these two? Okay, can you read this one for me, please? Where is seaweed? Hello, seaweed. Are you here? Seaweed. Hello, seaweed. Hi. Not here. How about Mio, Sasilada? Hello, Sasilada, Mio. Hello. Not here also. Where is Mio, Sasilada? How many students do I have? 13. Only one student absent. Oh, very good. Who's here? Chinjang, are you here? Chinjang? I have 13 students now. Let me check. Chertam, Fag, Gawin, Ing, Jean. All right, Jean is here. All right, Jean is here. Bloom. All right, so Jean is here, and it means only Chinjang is not here. All right, very good. I have almost complete students. Only one absent. Hello, Jean. Can you turn your mic on, please, Jean? Hello, Jean. Hi. All right, maybe something is wrong with the microphone of Jean. What about Namwan? Hello, Namwan. Hello. Oh, what's wrong with my students now? I'd like to call who else? Pancake. Hello, Pancake. Can you turn your, can Pancake read? Pancake. Hello, Pancake. Can you read this one for me, please? Pancake? No? Okay. So in that case, I'd like to call Chertam. Hello, Chertam. Chertam. Where are my students?
Yes.
Yes, Chertam. Okay. So Chertam, the first one here, the green one is xylem. Can you read this one, please? The structure.
The structure for transporting water and mineral is the
Xylem.
xylem.
Okay, thank you so much, Chertam. Okay, so this part here, number one, the green part, okay, the structure for transporting water and minerals. Okay, so xylem is the one that transport water and minerals from the soil going to the other parts of the plants. Okay, water and minerals, right? It is a hollow tube. When we say hollow, nothing inside. Okay, hollow tube. No end walls between the cells. Okay, no end walls. Later on, we're going to understand what do you mean by that. Okay, next, number two. Number two is phloem. Okay, phloem. Where is Ing? Hello, Ing. Are you here now, Ing? Hello, Ing. Okay, Ing. What about Q? Hello, Q. Hello, Q.
Yes,
Okay, Q, can you read this one for me, please? Number two, phloem.
the structure for transporting food is phloem.
Phloem. All right, thank you so much, Q. All right, so phloem is responsible for transporting food. Remember the difference, Nakap, okay? Xylem, transport water and minerals, okay? Phloem, transport food, okay? What is the food again? We have glucose, okay? The food is glucose or sugar, okay? Glucose or sugar. Okay, let us take a look at this one, this xylem and phloem closer. Okay, so that you can see it better, right? So I have here xylem and phloem. Okay, I'd like to compare this to a bamboo. This one, bamboo, right? Bamboo. Okay, this one here is a hollow. Okay, xylem is hollow, meaning there's nothing inside here, just like this one. But phloem, there is one here. There is end of the cell. Okay, two end of the cell. This one, the same with a bamboo, something like this. Okay, this is the end cell. Okay, this is cell number one. This is cell number two, and there is a wall here between the two cells. Okay, there is a wall. But for xylem, there is no wall. Okay, between the two cells, right? There is no wall between the two cells. And aside from that, let us compare them. Okay, so xylem is one way only. Okay, one way only. If it is from down to up, because it transport water only. Okay, water from the ground going to the leaves. Okay, one way. But for the phloem, it's two way, right? Two way, because it transport food, and the other one is water. Okay, food and water. Okay, but mainly the function is it is transporting food. Okay, phloem, food. Next, no end walls, right? No end walls. Okay, between cells, it's straight, just a straight one. But in here, there are end walls between cells. Okay, cells have end walls. Okay, we call this end walls. Ani, my me, xylem, my me, end walls. Okay, so that's the difference, right? That's the difference between xylem and phloem. Another one, this one is for the stem and the, yes, the stem. What about this one is the vascular system of a root, right? Root. Okay, this is something different, right? This is the xylem inside, and this one is the phloem. Okay, xylem and phloem. Okay, this is the different. The structure is different between the xylem and phloem in the stem and in the roots, right? This is the difference, right? Okay, let us see if you understand. Okay, let me call Gawin. Hello, Gawin. Gawin, let's answer this. Gawin. Gawin is not here. Pancake. Hello, Pancake. Pancake. Pancake is not here. Yok. Hello, Yok. Let us call Yok. Today is 8/24. Hello, Yok. Can you read this one for me, please? Yok.
What do you call the transport tissue of vascular plants?
Okay, what do you call the transport tissue of vascular plant? What's the answer, Yok? What is this? Transport tissue of vascular plants. Okay, what do you call that?
Vascular tissue.
All right, very good, Yok. Excellent. This is vascular. Sorry, this is A. Well, I'm sorry, I'm just using my mouse. This is A. This is U. And this A, vascular. Okay, vascular. I, S. And this is letter E. Okay, vascular tissue. Okay, very good. Transport tissue of vascular plants. Next, number 2, aside from yolk, what about Fa? Is Fa here? Fa? Can you read Fa? Hello, Fa. Can you read? Okay. Let me call another one. Num one. Hello, num one. Hello, num one. Num one. Hello. How about a seaweed? Hello, seaweed. Where are my students? I have 13 students today. Seaweed. Hello, seaweed. All right. How about meal? Meal. Hello, meal. Okay, Mio's not here. All right, so I think something is wrong with their microphone. How about Jean? Hello, Jean. Jean? Oh, Jean is not here also. Oh, I'd like to call Oi. Hello, Oi. Hello,
Yes.
okay, Oi. And the other students, you can chat on the chat box, okay? Other students, so that I can put some points in your name here on my form. You can type on the chat box your answer, okay? But Oi, please read and answer this one. Oi, what do you call?
What do you call this transport tissue?
Okay, sorry, there's no picture. This one, what do you call this transport tissue? It's called
Xylem.
xylem. Okay, how do you spell that? Oi.
XYLEM.
All right, very good. Okay, XYLEM, xylem. Okay, very good, Yok. Huh? I have very good students today. Next, number 2, Ing. Is Ing here? Ing? Hello, Ing? I don't know what's wrong with my students. Okay, Ing. All right, what about Sir Tam? Okay, I'd like to call those students. Very good na. Excellent.
Yes.
Okay, Sir Tam. Next question, Sir Tam. What? Okay, can you read this one, Sir Tam?
What is being transported by
Xylem.
xylem?
Okay, transport by xylem. Which of this? 3. Xylem.
Mineral.
Mineral, correct. What else? Only mineral. Sir Tam? Only mineral.
Water.
All right, very good. Water and minerals. Okay, A and B are correct. Water and mineral is being transported, meaning xylem carry water and minerals from the ground going to the different parts of the leaf. Very good. Okay, next, another one. Okay, before we end. This one, where is Chertam Plume? Hello, Plume. Can you turn your mic on, please, Plume? Hello, Plume. Hi, Plume.
Yes.
Okay, can you read this one and the answer, please?
What do you call this transport tissue?
Okay, answer.
Uh,
What do you call this transport tissue? There's an answer in the chat box. Is this okay? How do you spell? Hello, Plume.
Poem. What? Poem.
Phloem. Okay, how do you spell this one? Phloem.
PHLOEM.
Okay, very good. Phloem. Okay, PHLOEM. That is phloem. Okay, very good, Plume. This is H, O, and E. Phloem. All right. Next question. Okay, before we finish. Next to Plume, we have Q. Hello, Q.
Yes.
All right, Q. Next question is for you. Right? Can you read and answer, please?
What is being transported by phloem?
Okay, phloem. Which of these 3?
Food.
Food. All right. Very good. Okay. Food. What is being transported by the phloem? It's the food, letter C. Correct. All right. Very good, Naha. Thank you so much. I hope you are learning today. All right. Because water and minerals are being transported by the xylem. Right. Okay. So let me recap. Today we have learned about transport. Okay. Transport is a process in which water, minerals, and food are being transported in plants. Okay, and different plants have different ways of transporting that. Okay, for vascular plants, they are being transported by a part called Yok answer that, vascular tissue. Okay, vascular tissue. And the vascular tissue, we have two types, xylem and phloem. Right? Xylem and phloem. Right? Do you have a question, class? Do you have a question? Everyone or anyone? Do you have a question? No question? All right. If you have no question, let's call it the day. I'm going to end our lesson here, and then next time on Friday, we're going to continue with our lesson. Okay, how does a vascular system work? Okay, how does a xylem carry or transport water and minerals, and how does phloem carry or transport food from one part of the plant to the different parts of the plant? And that is going to be on Friday. Okay, now if you have no question, that would be all for today. Bye bye everyone. Thank you for today. See you again when? Tomorrow. See you tomorrow for additional science class, right?
Thank you,
you,
teacher.
teacher.
You're welcome. Bye bye everyone. See you
Thank you, teacher.
tomorrow. You're welcome. Bye bye. Bye bye everyone. You can leave the Zoom class now. Thank you.